Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to transfer money from CIBC to BMO? Here's how to do it quickly and securely. Start by logging into your CIBC online banking or the CIBC mobile app. For a fast transfer, select Interact e-transfer under Payments and Transfers. You have linked your BMO account. You can also use external transfers instead. If this is your first time, add yourself as a recipient using your BMO email or phone number linked to e-transfers. Enter the amount, choose your CIBC account and confirm your recipient. If your BMO account is set up for auto deposit, no security question is needed. Otherwise, choose a question and answer only you know. Review everything, then hit send. Your money will arrive in minutes via Interact e-transfer or within 1 to 2 business days via external transfers. And that's it. Sending money from CIBC to BMO has never been easier. Try it today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.